Salamu alaikum. Wanga abinda wanga bawan Allah ya yin ga mu musulmai yan ala suna.
Abuja from mu nyina makwaba e de Ghana Nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
And I can assure you that if you give me the blessing and I go and win, I'll make your son Bawumia the president of the country. So I've come here to ask my father, bless
You know the story.
where can Allahumma ameen. Ameen. Allahumma ameen. Allahumma ameen.
To, salamu alaikum. Wanga abinda wanga bawan Allah ya yin ga mu musulmai yan ala suna bai ba mu mamaki saboda kasan Christian dai bai san addinin shi ba. Amma na yi imani da Allah ba wani dan sunnan da za shi wurin chief imam eje yana neman albarka. Don chief imam bai da kowane albarkan da zai ba wani yau. Amma wani Christian ne ka faci magana, amma musulmi chief imam da kanshi ma yana neman addu'a bai da lafiya. Yana neman addu'a don bai yi trotis, bai yi tuma. Amma kan shi Christian shi bai san musulunci ba. Saboda shi Christian ya zo wurin chief imam wai shi yana neman albarka. Chief imam ya mai addu'a ya zo power. Bai make sense. Chief imam shi yana da yana pipi kuka zo ka biya bashin chief imam. Da bashin alazai ya yi ma chief imam yawa ku yan NPP kuka zo ka biya. Amma daga baya kuma sun vote sun ba yan NDC. Tanka su mutanen Ghana, musulmanmu na Ghana, inda ka kawo kudi, an tarbe ka. Ko da ma ba su son ka, sun tarbe ka, inda ka kawo kudi, larja. Wani mutane ce gani. Saboda ya kawo kudi, sun tarbe shi. In lokacin vote kuma ya kai, shi su zo su vote su ba masiyacin party na NDC nan. Ni leaders in NPP sun ji da magana na su ba zuwa wurin limaman musulmai suna neman wani addu'a ko wani albarka ba su da kowane albarka ba su da kowane albarkan da za su ba ku waɗanga munafikai waɗanga mutanen da aka gina musu Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia ya gina musu masallaci yau je fara ka ga yanda suce yin ka pictures cikin wannan masallaci da su MP Mubarak ga duka da yan NDC masiyatan ga sun je sun shiga cikin masallacin da Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia malamin sunna ban zuwa wurin shince dan nemi albarka kanga Allah na tare da ni Allah na kusa da ni yafi rigan da ce jikina amma rashin sanin addinin musulunci rashin sanin sunna yana cause ma mutum ya zama jahili ya zama murakkab ya zama wawa chief imam na da albarka yana da albarka yayi addu'a zango a bar shaye-shaye yana da albarka yayi addu'a zango ya gyaru kamar yadda arna suka gyara unguwanninsu yayi karabar he in chief imam na da wani iko ya gyara zango tukun ba su da komai she kariya an yi kariya ta waɗanda su ce gefe suna kallon limaman na da wani matsayi limaman na da wani iko da za su yi wani addu'a kai ba wani hustling hard bro kama Allah kawai bro ba wani liman wallahi in manka da babanka sun fi limamai albarka manka ta haife ka inda tana da rai wallahi in ka barin manka kaje wani limami kaje ka nemi albarka kai wawa ne abinda zaka yi kaji bakin wani liman shine Allah ya ce annabi ya ce shikenan ba wani albarka da yana da albarka ya ba kan shi ya ba wa yunwa ce jin su ya wuce limaman mu na Ghana ba su da komi masallaci ma ba su gina bara su ce su gina masallaci kai ne kace da kudi kace zuwa kana gyara musu masallatayya kai ne kace da kudi kace zuwa kana gina musu hospital kai ne kace da kudi kace zuwa ka gana musu a hanyar city ka kuma je wurin waɗanda ba su da komi neman albarka ba rashin sanin addinin musulunci ba rashin sanin Allah mutum ya je wurin bawan Allah wai ya je nemi albarka shi chief imam yana da albarka yayi makan shi addu'a ya tashi ya tattaro tisbana tun na zaune bai tafiya ka je wurin shi ya nemi albarka
Edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na wuhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wuhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wunnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya nipa asem no wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awu no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho ye yesre ya na video ni ye hwe ni say ya ene de ho na wo hye wo no ene wo na wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say you nim issue ayewo. Kwa ye hwe ne mapapa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Just hospital and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. This is a scan of the was I would to me say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort." Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the hospitals most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on funded free seniors most of my comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina said, "Ye be a kitting, invest square kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk." And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems. Most of them kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem me na wo ne wo sia che me sabi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Ibrahim Dramani ma ko gina fese and can form Gafon catch up say, "Oh, Gafon, oh, now more than kinky and we have utilization here." And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey, Remona Chapa ya hyping say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.